No more screen time for your children. Hello, parents. If you're looking for a meaningful way to help your child learn about all the states of India while keeping them away from mobile screens, we have something just for you. This is the Clever Fox Funlab India Map educational game, a hands-on learning toy designed to help kids learn geography through play. The game comes with a tray printed with the India map and state cutout puzzle pieces. Your child simply picks a state piece and places it on the tray by matching the state outline. This helps children remember which state belongs where, improving their memory and spatial understanding through repeated play. To make learning even more exciting, we've included flags with capital stickers. Kids can stick the capital name on the flag and plug it into the correct state piece. Along with this, we've provided flashcards for each state that cover details: capitals, languages, food, interesting facts. We've also added rapid-fire questions to strengthen your child's general knowledge in a fun way. The product is strong, durable, and child-friendly, with a supported box design, something very few brands offer. It's easy to carry, assemble, and store. A ribbon is also included to help lift the puzzle pieces easily whenever required. This is not just a puzzle, it's a complete learning experience. Screen-free, engaging, and proudly made in India. Explore India. Learn through play with Clever Fox Funlab.